guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing yet another Boxycharm unboxing. So this is the box for this month. And once you open it up, it has all of these good things inside. So we're just going to be testing them out, reviewing them, and seeing what each and every item is all about. So this first item is this Cocoa Cabana cream. And it's a moisture magnet oil and water body cream. Now this does not sound like something that I would migrate towards because of my oily skin, but I was actually thinking about it, and to over moisturize my skin then use a matte foundation would probably be more beneficial than using matte products throughout my whole, makeup routine. So we are gonna put this on first as a moisturizer. I haven't moisturized my face this morning, so this will be the first thing that I use. So opening it up, wow. Smells a whole lot like coconut. If you like cocoa butter smell, you'll definitely love this, and it does smell really good. It has like this jelly feel to it. So we're just going to take a good amount of this and we are going to apply it to our face. It definitely has a strong scent to it, but it smells so good, and it's definitely moisturizing my skin. So according to Boxycharm, this cream is supposed to instantly transform dry, dehydrated, irritated skin into its softest, bounciest, most luscious version of itself. Its oil and water gel cream texture kisses the body with a cocoa sugar blend of fermented sugar and nourishing coconut oil to draw, hold, and hug moisture for up to 72 hours. So looking at my skin looks super hydrated. Like I said, it does have a very, very strong scent, but it definitely smells delicious, like you can eat it. So far, I'm liking the moisture on my skin, even though I know I get oily right in here. It's, aside from the oils, it's still good to keep your face moisturized. So like I said before, using this and then using a matte foundation is probably the best thing to do. And this has a retail value of $20 for this cream. So for the next product, this is a primer. This is the No Problem Primer, and it's from Touch and Soul. Has a pump, and I'm gonna pump that onto my hand. Let's do 1.5 pumps, and I want to like press it into where I know my pores are. So like right in my T-zone area, right here. Definitely has that silicone texture feel to it. I feel like mostly all, if not 99% of pore filling primers have that silicone feel to it. I'm not crazy about it, but. So it says that this primer is supposed to create a seamless canvas for your foundation with your new Touch and Soul No Problem Primer. The light, silky texture blurs pores and wrinkles, giving your skin a soft velvet fill. Green tea and collagen act as adhesives, holding on tight to your makeup for many hours of flawlessness. So, looking at it a little closer, my pores do seem minimized, not vanished, but minimized. And I don't really have wrinkles just yet, so can't test that part out, but it definitely had a silicone like feel to it when I was applying it, and I think that with pretty much any pore filling primer, that's basically the formula that you get. I'm not crazy about that kind of formula because it just feels, I don't know, weird, but we'll see how the foundation applies on top of the primer. I am gonna apply my foundation off camera as well as my concealer and all that other stuff, and then we'll review the final 3 products of the box. Let's move on to the eyes, why my powder under my eyes sits. This is the Nude Sticks. This is the Magnetic Luminous Eye Color, and this is in the shade Copper Foil. And it's just like this little eye crown pencil. And I love gold, so all I'm gonna do with this is just apply it to my lid with the crown first, and then maybe I'll go over it with my finger. Never really used the eye crown before. This is a really pretty color. I feel like this would be really good for like one of those like really quick eyeshadow looks where you don't want to do too much, but you still want it to be a little glam. And for me, I feel like anything sparkly or glittery or gold is always glam. So I really, really love that on the eyes. And it says that this is a super long wearing eyeshadow pencil that is soft, super gliding, and easy to blend. The Nude Stick Magnetic Luminous Eye Color is the ultimate multitasker to achieve intense color, precise lining, and primes eyelids for all day waterproof wear to ensure your nude glam lasts. And this retails for $24 for that stick. And it says that it's waterproof. So that means I can get in the pool and not have to worry about my shadow coming off. I mean, why would you wear eyeshadow in the pool? But just saying. It's really pretty though. I really, really like it. So the next product is something I already have. And if you are new to my channel, then let me just tell you that I absolutely love this product. And if you're not new, then you know I always talk about this. This is like my favorite mascara of all time. And this is the, well, this is the one I received. The Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. And this is my currently already owned mascara. So I'm not going to open this one and use it just because I have it already. But I am going to use the one that I already own. And I'm gonna also apply it to my bottom lashes. Okay, so that's with it applied to my top and bottom. And like I said, I absolutely love this mascara and I will always love it. So it says that the Too Faced Better Mascara, first of all, it retails for $24. And it says, indulge in a mascara that actually lives up to its name. It separates, coats, and curls each lash to voluptuous perfection. And it definitely curled my lashes and they look really good. I don't even need false lashes on. So for the last final product is this Pretty Vulgar bronzer, and it says Bronzed B. I guess that's the shade, and it looks like this. I think it's a really pretty bronzer. It might be a little too light, we will see. But I am going to try it out and see how it works for me. I'm just going to swirl my brush in there a little bit, tap it off. And I have never owned anything Pretty Vulgar or anything. So, oh wow. So this is definitely not too light for my skin, that's for sure. Probably want to use a different brush. Look how intense that was. Give me 1 second, let me get a different brush. So I'm just gonna blend out what I already put on. And it seems to be blending out really well, considering I put a harsh line to begin with, but it blended out beautifully. It's a really pretty bronzer. You can definitely use this to bronze or just to set your contour. It's like one of those matte bronzers, so it doesn't have any like shimmer or anything in it. I'm not sure if they have like other shades or whatnot, but this one is definitely a very nice one. So I think this is a really awesome little bronzer and it's definitely beautiful. So it says that this bronzer is a vegan matte bronzing powder that gives your skin a natural, radiant looking finish enriched with ultra smooth, oil-free, lightweight pigments. This bronzer allows for easy blending and perfect coverage, which we definitely saw with the easy blending because I had like a harsh line going on over here when I was applying the bronzer, and now look at it. Definitely blended out really well, and I could probably blend it out some more if I wanted to, but I actually like it like that. So that is everything that came in the Boxycharm box this month. I absolutely love this box compared to last month. As everyone knows, it was like one of those boxes that it was just like, I don't really care for a lot of the items in the box, but with this one, every single product was a hit. I love every single product. Now obviously my top product is the mascara because I already own it, so obviously I love it. But putting the mascara aside, the eye stick is definitely a winner, and so was this bronzer. I'm really honestly loving everything. Even the fact that I used a moisturizing, like extremely moisturizing moisturizer underneath my matte foundation. I like that concept as well. I always was doing matte, you know, like primers and stuff to prime my face, and then putting on a matte foundation and my face would be super matte, which I was like, okay, that's better than having it super oily. But I think the concept of moisturizing my skin really well with the moisturizing moisturizer, wow, how many times can I say moisturizing in one sentence? But doing that and then applying a matte foundation, I think that's like the perfect combination. Definitely loving this box. I hope you guys enjoyed my little review slash tutorial of each and every product. I do this every single month that I receive a box because I want to share with you guys what I've gotten, and also encourage you, if you have not yet signed up, to sign up if you want. If you're someone who can't necessarily afford like high-end makeup, but you want to test out, you know, little things here and there, this subscription box is like the perfect thing you could ever do, because you do get high-end products for such a small amount of money. I will have the link to the Boxycharm website as well as the code for me down in the description down below. You don't have to use the code, you can sign up without it, whatever you want to do. I do not get any money off of it. This is not sponsored, so it's just a code that they give each and every person who has signed up for Boxycharm to give to other people to refer them. So if you want to use that, go ahead and use that, girl. It'll be down there. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, I'm really loving this box this month. Definitely give this video a thumbs up if you haven't already. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel for more content to come, and I'll see you guys in the next video or vlog, whichever one comes first.